Welcome back, tea lovers. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're diving into the fascinating world of Chinese cuisine and uncovering the delightful secrets behind a beloved beverage, ginger tea. But that's not all. We'll also reveal some intriguing unknown facts and the incredible health benefits of this aromatic concoction. So, let's get brewing. To begin our tea journey, let's explore the key ingredients that make Chinese ginger tea so soothing and invigorating. First, we have fresh ginger root, known for its unique spiciness and medicinal properties. Then, we have a touch of honey or sweetener, lemon slices for a tangy twist, and a medley of aromatic spices like cinnamon and cloves to elevate the flavor. Now, let's heat up the water and prepare our Chinese ginger tea. But before we do that, let me share with you some captivating unknown facts about this delightful brew. Fact number 1: ginger tea has been a part of traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It's known to possess numerous health benefits, including soothing digestive discomfort, reducing inflammation, and boosting the immune system. It's truly a healing elixir in a teacup. Fact number 2: while ginger is widely associated with its warm and spicy flavor, it also carries a refreshing and uplifting aroma. This makes Chinese ginger tea a wonderful companion during cold winter nights or as a comforting drink to invigorate your senses. Fact number 3: Chinese ginger tea is often consumed to alleviate symptoms of nausea and promote digestion. The natural compounds found in ginger have a calming effect on the stomach and can help reduce feelings of queasiness or discomfort. And there you have it, our fragrant and revitalizing Chinese ginger tea. The warm ginger notes, combined with the aromatic spices and a hint of sweetness, create a truly invigorating experience. Now that we've unveiled the unknown facts and brewed this delightful tea, it's time to savor the moment. Ah, simply wonderful. The warmth of ginger, the subtle sweetness, and the comforting flavors make this tea a true delight for the senses. That's all for today's video, tea enthusiasts. We hope you enjoyed discovering the hidden secrets and health benefits of Chinese ginger tea. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you find this invigorating brew. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tea adventures. Until next time, steep and sip happily.